Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the new Nokia G42, a mid-range 5G phone that promises to be user-reparable and long-lasting. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Let's dive in. The Nokia G42 is a partnership between HMD and iFixit, a website that provides repair guides and parts for various devices. The G42 is HMD's first 5G phone that allows users to easily replace the screen, battery and charging port by themselves, using the tools and instructions provided by iFixit. This is a great feature for those who want to extend the lifespan of their phone and reduce electronic waste. The phone itself has a 6.56-inch IPS LCD with HD+ resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The display has a water drop notch for the 8-megapixel selfie camera and is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The back of the phone is made from recycled plastic and houses a 50-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The G42 is powered by a Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, paired with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card slot. The phone runs on Android 13 and HMD promises 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security patches. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh and supports 20-watt fast charging. HMD claims that the battery can last up to 3 days on a single charge and retain 80% of its original capacity after 800 charging cycles. Other features of the G42 include an IP52 certification for water and dust resistance, a headphone jack, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and 2 color options, purple and gray. The phone is priced at €249 for the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage variant. As for the repair components, iFixit offers a new screen for €50, a replacement battery for €25 and a charging port assembly for €20. These prices are quite reasonable compared to other brands and make the G42 more affordable in the long run. So, what do you think of the Nokia G42? Is it a good deal for a mid-range 5G phone? Would you buy it or repair it yourself? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.